The main limitations of decantation are that it requires components with significant density differences, needs time for settling, can be imprecise, and isn't suitable for mixtures where particles remain suspended or where layers separate very slowly. You know, it's like trying to separate M&Ms by color while wearing mittens. It's possible, but not very precise. In my lab, I often tell students that decantation is like trying to eat soup with a fork. There are just some things it's not meant to do. For example, if you're dealing with an emulsion like milk, where the fat droplets are suspended throughout the liquid, decantation is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. And don't get me started on the time it takes. Sometimes waiting for particles to settle is like waiting for your teenager to clean their room. It could take forever. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.